Crazy Chef. Today we're making jerk egg in gravy. So the first thing I want you to do is hit that like button. You know the deal. The first thing you have to do is hit that like button, and we're making jerk eggs in gravy. Stay tuned for the video. Stay tuned for the recipe. Crazy Chef, hit that like button. So the first thing I did is I put some jerk sauce and I marinate my eggs, set it aside. Then I put my pan on, add some oil. Then we're gonna put in our condiments. So we're gonna do this like we would be cooking just a regular dish. We add some onions, some green pepper, couple pieces of ginger, couple cloves of garlic, fresh thyme, couple pieces of lemon, lime, if it does matter. So what you want to do is you want to just saute that up for a minute, get those flavors out. And while you're doing this, your eggs is being marinated in that jerk spice, and it's getting that flavor. So your eggs are getting that flavor. Then you want to put some ground black pepper. I mean, you can, if you don't like black pepper, you don't have to put it, because a lot of people doesn't like black pepper. We'll put some salt. Now you have those flavors out. What we gotta do, we take the jerk spice. So we take the jerk spice and we mix it with a little water. We're gonna add that in. So we add that in, you get that aroma. Then you wanna let that reduce. You wanna reduce that for a while. That get. So what you want to do now is you want to core your eggs like that. This way when you put your eggs in, the juice goes inside. And we do that to all of them. Quick video. Easy. Usually people do eggs in gravy when they do the seafood thing, but this is just something different, you know, jerk eggs in gravy. Nice easy recipe. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take that extra jerk, and we'll just put that extra jerk in like that. And you just want to let that reduce for like, let it reduce for a quick 3 to 4 minutes, and you'll get your jerk eggs in gravy. See how it's, the sauce look nice. Get that jerk vibe. And nice, easy. Take your eggs. Let's take a couple of them. Lemon. Some of that. Piece of ginger. Some of the sauce. Cloves of garlic. And